roasted moong dal. For preparing the watermelon rind kheer, I have taken 1/3 cup of jaggery grated, half cup of watermelon rind grated and extracted the juice from this. Sauteed this in ghee for 5 minutes. I have cooked the moong dal, roasted moong dal. It's nicely cooked. Now I'll transfer the watermelon rind in this. And cook this. Add little ghee. Add the cashews. Fry it. You can add badam pista as you wish, kismis and all. Also you can coconut bits you can fry in this and put it. The detailed ingredients I will give it in the description box. I have prepared various dishes out of this watermelon rind. The link will be given in the description box. You can check. The best dish made out of this was the halwa. It was very yummy. The watermelon rind is cooked. Now we will add the jaggery in this. Let this melt and cook for 3-4 minutes. After melting it, then switch off the gas. When it cools down a bit, that time we can add the milk in this and garnish with the dry fruits roasted. The watermelon rind kheer, that payasam, is ready. You can put sugar also, and instead of normal milk you can add coconut milk. But after adding the thick coconut milk, do not boil. The jaggery is melted and I have cooked this for 5 to 7 minutes. Now I will switch off the gas. This is cooled down little bit. Now I'll add milk in this. I've taken around 100 ml of milk, added to the kheer. Our watermelon rind kheer payasam is ready to serve. We'll garnish with fried cashews. We'll add a little bit of cardamom powder also in this. Add the cashews. The watermelon rind kheer ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you're watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all, so that you'll get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. I added 1/3 cup of milk powder in this, which I forgot to mention. At the time of sauteing the watermelon rind, you can add the milk powder in it and saute it, then add to the moong dal. So after finishing the kheer, I realized that I forgot to add this. So what I did is I mixed with little water and slightly made it warm and then added to the kheer. Now slightly I am cooking the kheer again. Now I will switch off because it has come to a warm stage. At this stage I will switch off the gas now, otherwise it will get split. The taste comes with the milk powder in this.